Niaje wase?
Na walika Twendeni Mombasa.
Majamaa, tunajua tunaenda hivi coast hapo hivyo August.
We have lots of activities in place for you. Kwenda beach, jet ski,
tucheze boli kwa maji.
Tutaenda tuone wanyama kule kwa beach.
Tutakuwa pia na interactions as youth.
Na walika Twendeni Mombasa. All of us twendeni. Deadline ya kulipa ni 2nd week of June. Latest end of June.
Hapo kwenye beach, tukunywe madafu na mambo kama hayo.
We are going to Mombasa in August for youth convention, August 17th to 20th. And I'm just asking you kindly, let's go together. We are going by SGR. Tumeambiwa tulipe 2,000 for that SGR, which is supposed to be paid by end of June. We are paying 6,000. So what does 6,000 cater for? It is catering for almost everything. It's catering for your transport, the 2,000 ya tumesema tutalipa by the 2nd week of June. And then the other 4,000 will pay for your accommodation. We'll pay for entry to various places that we'll visit.
See you in Mombasa.
See you in Mombasa.
Konane Mombasa.
See you in Mombasa.